Hold on, don't hurt yourself. The new bike has to be right here.
Waiting for
Working with the company that's redhead big time, and then 4 years ago I decided I wanted to do something different. Yeah, it looked like it was starting to go up.
Yeah.
There it goes. Oh, you might be able to go.
Yeah,
up and
keep
up.
going, keep going. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you. Oh, the chain's super loose. Hold on. I can't hear.
It's starting to close in on you.
Oh, thank you. I could feel it pulling it out. Over that log. Thank you, brothers.
Dude, hey, thanks
You guys
for
are
doing that,
champions.
You guys are awesome, man. It's some Viking shit. We're men now.
I am a Viking. Yeah. Leif Erikson was my great grandpa.
No kidding. This famous explorer.
Man, that worked out good.
Yeah,